Find out complement expression. For example, if you have given a y equal to equation something f of a b c, okay, then you have to find out the complement of this. Then there are, for finding out the direct complementation, you have to follow these steps. In first step, we will convert AND gate into OR gate. Means we convert this dot into plus. Second, we convert 1 into 0, but only in output. We will not change 1 into 0 in the truth table or in the input of the truth table. We only change the 1 into 0 and 0 into 1 only output of the truth table. Okay, and this is the main difference between dual and complement. And third is complement each variable. While in dual circuit, if you study my previous videos, then in dual circuit we take our variables as it is, but here in complement circuit we are complementing each and every variables. Okay, so these three steps we have to follow if we want to convert a logic expression into complement of its. Then now we will take an example and we will solve the problem. For example, if we have a question y equal to a b c bar, this is a function of three variable a b c. Okay, here if we want to find out the complement, then according to last three steps, according to this we have to convert AND into OR into AND, 1 into 0, 0 into 1, and complement of each variable. Means this we convert into a plus b plus c and complement of each, and this we convert into a plus b plus c and complement of each, and a plus b plus c. Okay, and now here it is addition, we have to convert into dot. Here we have to convert into dot. So our complement expression will be like this only. Here a bar will cancel out, then a plus b bar plus c bar dot a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So this is our the complement expression of y. And if we want to find out the complement in a truth table, then we have to three variable a b c, and here our output 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So here our input side, because we have three variables, then it is our input side, this is our output side. Okay, so if we want to change here, if we want to find out the y equal to y decomplement, then here our output we will change into 1 into 0, 0 into 1. Okay, only in output. We will not change our 1 into 0, 0 into 1 in the input side for complementing, but in self dual we changed all 0 into 1, 1 into 0. So this is the main difference for the complement and a dual circuit. Okay.